Yo, what's good? What's good, y'all boys? T-double-M, that man Michi, back with y'all with another video. Man, it's cold as shit outside. It's about like 10:30 at night, about 45 degrees. But hey, I just had to get this thing washed, man, because she is dirty. She even got bird shit on the car, bro. Look, hold on. Let me show you now. Look, man. That big ass bird shit, dog. Nah, fuck that. I can't I can't ride like that, dog. Hey, she got leaves and shit, and then the windshield all dirty. The car's just dirty, period. Car dirty, period. But, we're gonna clean that up because I don't like to ride dirty. And Ross-Ane ain't supposed to be dirty, you feel me? So we're gonna get that shit cleaned up. But hey, y'all ain't peeped, man. I done got the hoodie, my little YouTube hoodie. I got the little name on it. Y'all go subscribe to every video that I post, you know what I'm saying? Y'all make sure y'all share, like, and comment. That's all I ask y'all, y'all know what I'm saying? I ain't asking y'all for a whole lot. Just, you know, like the video, share the video with your friends, family, and you know, subscribe to our brother, man. That's about it though. But hey, it's cold outside, and I'm just gonna give y'all like a somewhat of a little cinematic of me washing the car with this camera, and I got my GoPro camera in the car, so I'm gonna go ahead and strap it onto my head. And you know, we're just gonna be washing the car. We're gonna wash it. We ain't gonna wipe it down. We're gonna wash it. So I'm trying to tell y'all, that person, she dirty. At dark, you know, when it's nighttime, you won't be able to see all that little dirt and shit, but I know my car. And I don't like my shit being dirty. So other than that, man, we about to go ahead and get this shit started. You gotta pay for this shit. Like, it's so cold out here. It is so cold out here, bro. Like, y'all just don't understand. It's cold as shit. We're gonna do the 20-minute one. Or 30-minute one. cold. Like my hands are fucking freezing. Like my hands are numb. I feel like I'm back in Maryland, bro. It's fucking cold. These junks up. Yeah. Coming along good. Almost done. Almost done with it. I ain't gonna lie though, in person, but this bitch look bad as fuck. I probably might be taking some pictures, but alright, man, just about almost done with them. Just about almost done with them. I'm gonna touch up the wheels real quick. And I still got a couple of wet spots here and there. I can't see them, but they're there, so I gotta dry them off real quick. But shit's looking good, y'all. I need some more tint. I need to tint these a little bit more. I need to tint these just a little bit more. A little bit more tint, and I think we be good with tint. Because, man, it's like when I go out, like out there or whatnot, y'all won't see me in the car. But in the light, you know what I'm saying? Where there's nothing but light around, where the sun's up, you can see everything. No, we're going to change that soon. I need some darker tint. What y'all think? 20%? 5%? I ain't gonna lie, I got my GoPro on my head looking stupid, but I might just send that bitch and she might do 5%. What y'all think? Y'all sure already know how I get down. I always do my tires and rims last. I mean, definitely gotta give it some better brakes soon. All these damn brakes, dust and shit. Damn. Did I forget to mention to y'all that it's fucking 42 degrees out here and my hands are fucking cold. Like these shits are cold, man. Hope I don't get sick. Damn. Bruh, I'll tell you. That red and black just hit, bro. That red and black just hit. Oh my goodness. Like, y'all see I got the wicker bell already? Just wait until I put my damn splitter on. When I get my front chin splitter, oh, this shit is gonna look crazy. This shit is gonna look crazy. Even though that the car is clean, inside and out, there's one thing that I have not touched yet, and it needs to be done like ASAP. Well, I don't wanna break nothing, you know, not break nothing, but what the fuck? Oh, I'm tripping. The engine bay itself needs to be clean. Like, I don't even want to wipe it down, because I don't know what can get harmed if I wanted to wipe this thing down with some spray or whatever. But y'all let me know something. What should I do? What can I do? You know what I'm saying? Obviously, I got the stuff for the air filter. The bitch dirty. The bitch even got leaves on it. But I'm gonna go ahead and get that. I'm gonna go ahead and get this clean tomorrow, probably tomorrow morning. But as far as the engine bay goes, y'all gotta help me out with that one. Y'all let me know what are some things I can do to keep this engine bay clean, because bitch dirty. I mean, like, she don't look that bad, you know what I mean? She don't look that bad, but it's dirty in my eyes. So yeah. I mean, bro, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, she does look good. We do got some good lighting. Why not snap a couple of pictures? That's all I'm doing. I'm gonna snap a couple of pictures off the camera. Then I gotta run to the store and then go get me something to eat, because I'm fucking hungry. I can't lie to y'all, I'm hungry as shit. So I had to stop. Didn't show you what I'm talking about. Look at that. You can see everything. I'm throwing tint on this shit. Fuck that. Throwing tint on this thing, bro. No. Hey, y'all boys stop making capping, bro. It is 41. Let's get my camera to focus. If I could just get my camera to focus. Come on. Well, my camera acted dumb, but there you go. Well, never mind. Well, y'all can see 41 degrees, yo. 41 degrees in this bitch. Washing my car. Finally got done. She looking brand new. But about to go and get up out of here. About to go to the corner store. Pick up my gotta get some things from the corner store, you know what I'm saying? Not gonna say what, but let's just keep it. Man, you know what? Let's just keep it 100. I just gotta go get some. Just gotta go get some woods. Get the woods. Then you know, it's dark as shit. Y'all probably can't see me. But yeah, finna run to the store, go get some woods, and go get me something to eat. Cause like I said, I'm still fucking starving. Starving as fuck. But yeah, let me go ahead. I would give y'all a baby pool. Suck I am. She sounds too nasty. Oh my god. Oh shit, there's a couple over there. Alright, let me chill out. Hey, yeah, can I get y'all Let's go. Oh, yeah, I got you. I ain't got no pen. Take a picture of my hoodie, dog.
I don't have my phone.
You got your phone? You ain't got no pen? Hold on, I got you. Hold on. Here you go, bro. Hey, appreciate it, man. Cool. Alright. Let's head back to the crib, man. It's midnight, bro. Let's head back home. Alright, y'all. We done made it home safe and sound. Car looking great. Yeah, man, that was just it, man. I just wanted to show y'all me washing the car and whatnot, and just make a quick little video. You know, me just washing the car, going out, get something to eat, and doing other stuff I need to take care of. But tomorrow it's gonna be a little car meet, and we're all gonna fucking send it. We're all going to Mexico that night, so that's gonna be another video of me dropping. Probably not gonna do a whole lot of racing. Probably might just do a whole lot of watching because, like I said, my car is not really ready. But I probably might just try something. I probably might just do a little something. But other than that, man, what y'all know about this though? Oh, hold on. You know what? I ain't even gonna do that. Never mind. I ain't even gonna do that. Other than that, man, this TW on that man meet you, man. I'm out of here, man.